Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to make money online. Whether you are looking to earn some extra cash on the side or start a full-time online business, there are many opportunities available to you. In this video, we'll be discussing 5 different ways to make money online, so let's get started. Freelancing is a great way to make money online if you have a particular skill or expertise. This could include writing, graphic design, web development, or social media management, to name a few. To get started, create a profile on a freelance website such as Upwork or Fiverr and start bidding on projects that match your skill set. Remember to build a strong portfolio and ask for referrals from satisfied clients to boost your chances of winning new projects. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services on behalf of another company and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. To get started, sign up for an affiliate program in your niche, such as Amazon Associates or ClickBank, and start promoting products on your blog or social media accounts. Remember to disclose your affiliate relationship and only promote products you believe in. Online surveys can be a quick and easy way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. Companies are always looking for feedback on their products and services, and are willing to pay for it. To get started, sign up for a survey website such as SurveyJunkie or Swagbucks and start taking surveys. Keep in mind that the payouts are usually small, so this may not be a viable option for a full-time income. Selling products online. If you have a product to sell, you can set up an online store and start selling it to customers around the world. This could be anything from handmade crafts to digital products such as e-books or software. To get started, set up a website using a platform such as Shopify or WooCommerce, and start promoting your products on social media and other online channels. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can offer online tutoring services to students around the world. This could include subjects such as math, science, or languages. To get started, sign up for a tutoring website such as tutor.com or Chegg and start offering your services. You can also promote your services on social media and other online channels. Conclusion. So there you have it, 5 different ways to make money online. Remember, building an online business takes time and effort, so be patient and persistent. Identify your strengths and interests, and find a way to monetize them online. Good luck, and happy earning.